In this video, I want to show a configuration of Samsung Easy Mode that makes it even easier for those who are having problems finding the screen. This screen is a full screen of all your contacts with pictures, and you can just tap on one of them and it pops up bigger so you can know who you're going to call. Tap the green button and it calls the person. You can see it doing it here in a second. Okay, on my other phone, just hang up. Now the problem is, in easy mode, this screen is not the main screen. If I push home, I go to another screen which has a few icons on it in a normal mode of setup. But to make it easier for a person who really just wants to use it to call out, I made a series of icons here of their favorites. And let me just tap one, and you'll see what it does here. It's going to start to call that person. It has to look them up, so it's a little bit longer here. Trying to find them, and there it is. You can see who it's going to call, and it'll do it automatically. I don't have to tap anything. I just tapped it to make it bigger, and it's calling unless I cancel, which I'm going to cancel it now. So again, the main benefit is a simple home screen just with a few contacts. They can still swipe over here if you want more contacts or you want to see the pictures and you don't have a problem finding that screen. So I made it really simple. The rest of the screen looks blank, but it's really a smartphone. You can see that they're over there if you really needed that stuff.